And we are live. Who's going to be the first to join, guys? Who's going to be first to join? Welcome, guys. Hope you're all well. Hello. Welcome, my friend. Hello, who's going to be the first to join? Hello, user. Welcome, my friend. Welcome. Hope you're well. You're the first to join. Welcome, my friend. Welcome. Hello, I Think TV and also TV. Welcome, my friend. Nice to have you on the call. Welcome. Hope you're well. Okay, guys, this one, is a practice paper, AQA, okay, paper 1 higher tier from the First Class Maths website, okay. First Class Maths here are a fantastic resource, okay, and they have a very, very good track record history here for their predicted papers, okay. But I'm being careful, guys, when I say the word predicted, it may or may not obviously come up as here. So obviously take it with a bit of a pinch of salt, okay. Make sure to obviously do the actual other papers as well, okay. But that is my advice. Hello, my friend. Hello. I hope you're well too. Thank you. Okay, we'll make a start in just a few minutes just to give people like chance to actually join. So we'll start in about maybe 3-4 minutes. Okay, if you're new around here, guys, make sure you give us a follow, guys, and check out the content on my page. If you're new around here, please, do give us a follow if you can. I really appreciate it. And any gifts here are welcome, guys. Thank you. I appreciate it, buddy. Thank you very much. I appreciate that. Thank you. Yeah, any gifts actually welcome here. I have put like a little big gift tonight. Okay, the target tonight, was actually 100, 100 actually roses but it might be quite ambitious. But if we hit 100 actually roses tonight, then I may stay on a bit longer and do some more content, okay, to make it fair, okay. If we smash 100 actually roses then I may do some more content as well, okay. So get tapping likes, get liking, okay. If you're new around here, please, most importantly, give me a follow, okay? It's free to follow, okay, and it's free to like the live, and it's free to share it. So please like, okay, follow, and share if you can. Okay, no worries, my friend, no worries. That's fine. It's okay. Do not worry. Do not worry, my friend. Do not worry. Thank you for liking. Thank you, user, for liking. I appreciate that. Thank you both of you for liking. Right, guys, we will make a start in the next minute or so, okay? Just to give people a chance to join, in case anyone's not seen my story. It's going to be the AQA higher tier practice paper, okay? Okay, likes, we smashed it. Hello, G. Welcome back, G. Hello. It's nice to have you on the call. Welcome back, G. Hope you're well. Hopefully it's been a good day for you guys, okay? I hope you're all enjoying your Easter as well. Hello, G. I hope you're well. It's nice to see you on the call. Right, guys, we shall make a start, okay? Because, there's 4 of us now in the chat now, we will make a start now, okay? If you're able to obviously share this live with anyone doing higher, okay? The first few questions will also overlap actually with the foundation tier. So the first 4 to 5, maybe 6 questions. Yes, so I did foundation year earlier today, actually, GS. So I did actually foundation year earlier today, okay? But I can do some more foundation year at some point, yes, okay? But the first 5 or 6 questions from this paper will be relevant for you, okay? But any after that actually may not be relevant, sorry. Okay. But I have already here done foundation year editorial and foundation AQA, so I apologize about that. So I do apologize. Hello, N4JM4, welcome. Hope you're well. Right, guys, we will make a start now. Okay, so we will make a start. So let's go. Okay, this is question number 1. Can you do it again? Yes, I probably can do this at some point. GS, I can do it at some point. Okay, welcome, guys. Welcome. Hope you're all well today. I hope it's been a good day for you guys. Thank you for liking N4JM4. Welcome. I appreciate that. Okay, question 1, guys. So write 0.000 37 in standard form. Okay, so standard form, remember, is a number between 1 and 10, so it'd be 3.7 multiplied by 10 to the power of something. That power can be positive or it can be negative. If it's positive, then it's a very big number. If it's negative, then it's quite a small number. Okay, so this is a decimal, so it's a small number, so it is going to be a negative power. Okay, hello, Yasin, welcome, my friend, welcome, welcome. I hope you're well. Okay, so how many jumps? One, two, three. So it's going to be 4 jumps. Going to be of minus 4. Okay, spot on, G. Yes, that is correct, G. 3.7 times 10 to the minus 4. Okay, again, this is a super, super common topic here. So revise standard form, guys, here. Okay, so revise how to convert between standard form and ordinary numbers and vice versa. Okay, hopefully that makes sense. Well done, G. Yes, that is correct, G. Well done. Okay, question number 2. Okay, solve this equation. Now, this is what I call a pre-factorized quadratic. So it's so it's actually a bit more easier than you think. So it's actually factorized for us. So it's either the first bracket equals 0 or the second bracket equals 0. So I got this from I got this from the First Class Maths website. Okay, so I got it from. So if you type in First Class Maths into Google, okay, I got it from there. Thank you for liking this year. Thank you for liking. I appreciate that. Thank you so much for liking. Okay, so I actually recommend them this year, and it is actually free as well to download and use. Okay. Hello, Ben D. Welcome, my friend. Welcome, welcome. Hope you're well. Thank you, user 4477. Yes, it is free. Yes, it is free, G. Yes. It is all actually completely free. Okay, so back to this question. So either the first bracket equals 0 or the second bracket equals 0. So either C plus 4 equals 0 or C plus 3 equals 0. Okay, so what would my 2 solutions be, guys? In the chat, can you tell me what would my 2 solutions be, please? In the chat, what would C be equal to? Anyone know? No, we're all going to obviously a bit quiet now. Okay, thank you, Ashia. Thank you for liking. So my solution would be C is equal to minus 4. Okay, so if I solve this here, I'm going to subtract 4 on both sides. Hello, AZH. Welcome, my friend. Welcome, welcome. Or C equals minus 3. No worries, G. No worries, G. Happy to help you. No worries. I'm more than happy to help you, G. Okay, so my 2 solutions are when C is minus 4 or C is minus 3. Okay, again, this is solving a pre-factorized quadratic. Okay, normally they give you a quadratic here to factorize. Okay, but this one was a bit more easier. It was actually factorized for us. So all we did was set each bracket equal to 0 and then solved each equation. Okay, question number 3, guys. A straight line has the equation y equals 3 minus 4x. Okay, so looking at y is equal to mx plus c. Write down the gradient of this line. So in the chat, guys, what would my gradient of this line be? Anyone know? What would my gradient be? Anyone know? Hello, Sarah. Welcome, welcome. Hello, Hayden. Welcome, welcome. Anybody know? So the gradient is the coefficient of x, but this is not written in the form y equals mx plus c. Let's rewrite it as y is equal to minus 4x plus 3. Okay? So the gradient, remember, is your value of m in y equals mx plus c. Okay? Your gradient, remember, is the value of m in y equals mx plus c, the coefficient of x. Okay, so the gradient is equal to -4 or -4. Okay, and that, guys, is my answer. Question number 3. Does that make sense, guys? Does that make sense? Are there any questions? Hello, Peter. Welcome, my friend. Welcome, welcome. Okay, question number 4. Okay, is this AQA? Yes, it is AQA. Yes, it is AQA. Yes. Okay, this is an AQA practice paper. Okay, from first class maths. Hello, Maisie. Welcome, welcome. I hope you're well, Maisie. It's nice to have you on the call. Okay, so that's question 3 done. Okay, question 4, guys. No, this is actually higher, Maisie. Sorry, this is actually higher, but the first 6 questions would be also relevant for foundation tier as well. Hello, my friend. Welcome back. Welcome back. Okay. Okay. So the first 5 or 6 questions will overlap. Oh, you got a present for me. Oh, thank you. Oh, thank you, my friend. Thank you. I appreciate the present. Thank you, whatever it is. Okay. Question number 4. Shape A is enlarged by a scale factor, okay, of 4 to give shape B. Oh, thank you so much actually for the roses. Thank you so much for the roses. I appreciate that. Thank you so much. That's so kind of you. Write down the scale factor, okay, of enlargement, okay, from shape B to shape A. Thank you so much actually for the roses and shit. Thank you so much. That's so kind of you. Thank you. I appreciate it. Okay. So sorry, yeah. So from A to B, we times by 4. From B to A, we divide by 4. But scale factor, we are always multiplying by a whole number or a fraction. Okay, so instead of writing divide by 4, we're going to write down multiply by 1/4. Okay, that's the same as dividing by 4. Okay, so whenever we are looking at scale factors, you will always multiply. Yeah, no worries, Ashia. Thank you so much for the roses, Ashia. Thank you so much for the roses. I really actually appreciate it. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for the roses, and thank you for the likes, guys. I appreciate that. That's very, very kind of you. I appreciate that. Thank you so much. Okay, so that's question 4 done. Okay, I'll give you just about 10 seconds to screenshot the first page, and then we'll move on, guys. Okay, then we'll move on. Are there any questions, guys? 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Let's move on now. Okay, question number 5. The diagram shows the vector A. Vector A. Okay, that way. Okay, so vector A. Okay, goes across a certain amount and then down a certain amount. Okay, so it goes across 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So vector A has component -5, -1. Okay, that's vector A. Okay, so we always go across first, and because it's going this way, it's going to be a negative. It's going to go down. That is also going to be negative. Okay. Hello, Rachel, Louise. Welcome, welcome. Okay. To work out -3/8, it'd be -3 lots of this. Okay. -3 times -5 makes +15. And then -3 times -1 makes +3. Okay. And that's my answer for that question. Okay. Thank you, Maisie, for liking. Thanks so much, Maisie, for liking. Okay. Does that make sense, guys? Okay. So this is looking at column vectors. Okay. Another big topic here. Okay. On higher and also foundation. Okay. Question 6, guys. Okay, work out 1.5 squared times by 1/3. Give your answer as a fraction. Well, I can write 1.5 as a fraction. 1.5 as a fraction is 1.5. Okay, and as an improper fraction or a top-heavy fraction, I can write that as 3/2. So I can rewrite the question as 3/2 all squared multiplied, okay, by 1/3. Okay, are we happy with that, guys? Does that make sense? Okay. So this is knowing your conversion between fractions and decimals, okay, or decimals to fraction in this case, okay. I'm now going to use BIDMAS to work this out. So 3/2 squared, okay. I do 3 squared, which is 9, and then I do 4 squared, which will be 6. Which will be 4. So I get 9/4 multiplied by 1/3. Okay. I'm now doing multiplying fractions. So I do top by top, and then bottom by bottom. 9 times 1 is going to be 9, and then 4 times 3 is going to be 12. So I get 9/12. And the question says, if your answer in its simplest form, so I need to simplify that, okay? So the highest common factor of 9 and 12 will be 3. So dividing top and bottom by 3, I get 3/4. And that, guys, is my final answer, okay, for 2 marks, okay? So does that make sense, guys? Does that make sense? Are there any questions? Welcome, guys. Yeah, welcome to anyone that's just actually joining. Welcome, welcome. Okay, awesome, Maisie. Awesome, awesome. Cool, cool. Okay, question number 4 now. Sorry, question number 7. Sorry. A circle is made from 2 semicircles. The area of one of the semicircles is 18 pi centimeters squared. Work out the circumference of the circle. Give your answer in terms of pi. Okay, so the area, hello Rakesh, welcome my friend, hello, hello. So the area of a semicircle, okay, is 18 pi centimeters squared. So the formula, okay, for area of a circle, okay, is pi r squared. Now I've got 2 semicircles, so if I double this, okay, the area of the full circle will be 36 pi centimeters squared. Okay, so that's equal to that's equal to the area of the circle, which is pi r squared. So I've got pi r squared is equal to 36 pi. So does that make sense so far, guys? Hello, G. Welcome back, G. Welcome back. Does that make sense? So I've equated the area of the circle to the area of my answer, okay? The 36 has come from double of 18, okay? Because it's 2 semicircles. If you double 18, you get 36. Okay? Dividing both sides by pi, we get r squared is equal to 36. What's the opposite, guys, of squaring? What is the opposite of squaring? Anyone know? Hello, JZ. Yes, welcome, welcome. Hello, G, welcome back. Anyone know what's the opposite of squaring? No one? So r would equal to the square root, okay, of 36, which is equal to 6, guys. Okay? So the radius is equal to 6. So to work out the circumference of the circle is 2 times pi times the radius. So it's 2 times pi times 6. Anyone know what 2 times 6 is in the chat? What is 2 times 6? Come on, guys. Everyone's being shy now. What is 2 times 6, guys? No. So the answer would be 12 pi centimeters, okay? So 12 pi centimeters, okay? And that is my final answer. So does that make sense, guys? Are we happy with that? Does that make sense? Are there any questions, guys? Are there any questions or not? I'll give you a few seconds to screenshot, so I'll give you just 10 seconds to screenshot. Okay, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and moving on now. Okay, so next part, we're looking at plotting, okay, a cubic curve. Okay, so plotting a cubic curve. Okay, so part A, complete the table of values for y is equal to x bracket x squared minus 4. Okay, so I'm going to substitute in the values, okay, of x to work out the corresponding y values. Okay, so let's obviously start here with 2 first because it's a bit more easier. So when x is 2, I'm going to have 2 brackets 2 squared minus 4. Well, that's going to simplify to 0. Okay, because the brackets is going to equal to 0. Okay, and then 2 times 0 is going to be 0. Okay, that bang, there we go. When x is minus 1, we're going to have minus 1 bracket minus 1 squared, which will be 1. So 1 minus 4. Okay, what is 1 minus 4, guys? Anyone know? What is 1 minus 4? It's going to be minus 3. So we got minus 1 times minus 3. That'll be positive 3 there. When x is 2, we're going to have 4. Minus 4 will be 0. So that's going to be 0 there. Okay. Again, hello, Ben. Welcome back, Ben. When x is minus 3, we're going to have minus 3 brackets negative 3. It's going to that'll be 9. So 9 take away 4. Okay. Which would be minus 15. Okay. So that's my table of values filled in. Okay. Does that make sense, guys? Does that make sense? Are there any questions? No? Okay, so let's now plot the points. So we got minus 3, minus 15. So that'll be bang in the middle there. Okay. A little dot there, sorry. Make it easier. Okay. Then we got minus 2, 0. So that's going to be bang on there. Okay. Minus 1, 3. So that's going to be bang in the middle there. Then we got 0, 0 there. We got 1 minus 3, so it'd be somewhere there. And we got 2, 0. Hello, user. Welcome back, my friend. Welcome back. Hope you're well. And we got 3, 15, which is roughly there, okay? Okay, so a nice smooth cover here. So it's gonna be like, thank you so much, Lisa, for liking it. Thank you so much, Lisa, for liking. Okay, a rough sketch. Oh, I don't put this here. But it looks something like that, okay? And that is my cubic, okay, graph, okay? So again, get in the habit, okay, of practicing, okay, table of values, so subbing in numbers into that, okay, and also, okay, plotting your points, okay? Yeah, again, guys, yeah, so same actually drill as here. So I'll give you 10 seconds to screenshot that. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Moving on, okay? So now looking at some ratio questions and some probability questions, I think. Okay. Hello, M4J4. Welcome. Hope you're well. Right, question number 9. A bag contains only red, green, and yellow counters, okay? The number of green counters is 15 more than the number of red counters. So let's call red counters, yeah. So let's call red counters, let's call that X, okay? Which is just a number. So the number of green counters would be X plus 15, okay? Or 15 plus X, okay? From that first statement, okay? Then it says the number of yellow counters is 4 more than the number of green counters. So yellow counters, okay, will be 4 more than this. So it'd be X plus 19. Okay, I hope we're happy with that so far. Okay. Then it says 1/5 of the counters in the bag are red. Okay, so 1/5 of the counters are red. Okay, so 1/5 are red. Work out the number of red counters in the bag. Okay, this is actually a bit more trickier. It's a bit more trickier. Okay, so red, yeah, is just a number. Okay, so 1/5, okay, of this number will be red. Okay, so red, yeah, what equal to 1/5 x. Okay, let's say. Okay, the rest of the counters, okay, are either green or yellow. They have to equal to 4/5. Okay, are we happy with that so far? So we're gonna have to form, I think, an equation, I think. Okay, so we're gonna have to actually form an equation. So anyone in the chat, yeah, got any ideas? Hello, welcome, welcome. Hello, Jamie. Hello again, Lisa. Welcome, welcome. Okay, awesome. Okay, so 1/5 of the number of counters here actually are going to be red here. So 1/5 of x, okay, equals to red. Okay, so the total number, okay, has to equal that. Okay, so anyone got any ideas, guys? Yeah, anyone got any ideas? Okay, so let's just think about this here for a minute. Okay, so the probability, okay, of getting red will be 1/5 x. Okay, but okay, work out the number of red counters in the bag. Okay, so if we add all these up at here, so if we add all these up at here, okay, this has to equal, okay, one whole, okay, or 100 actually. Hello, I don't know. Welcome back, my friend. Welcome back. Okay, so I'm gonna have 3x, okay, plus this has to equal 100, okay? So 15 plus 19, that's going to be what? 34, is that right? That has to equal to 100, okay? Yo, hello, welcome back, my friend. Hello, hello, good to see you on the call. Okay, so now if I subtract 34 and then divide by 3, okay, I'm going to get that x is equal to 100 minus 34, so that would be 66, if I'm not mistaken. Divide that by 3, okay, which is 20, it's 22, okay. So that can't be right though, can it? Because 1/5 of that is not a whole number. Okay. Anyone got any ideas, guys, here on this question? Sorry, yeah. Anyone got any ideas? Anyone got any ideas, guys? Yeah. Anyone got any ideas? Hello, Naveed. Welcome, welcome. Hello, Brick Super Studio. Welcome, sir. Oh, thank you so much, sir, for the rose. Thank you so much for the roses, sir. That's so kind of you, sir. Thank you so much for the roses. I appreciate that. That's so kind of you, sir. Thank you so much for the roses. I appreciate that. Thank you so much. That's so kind of you. So we're given this, guys, here, and we want to find. So I have found what X is, okay, but the issue is a fifth of that is not a whole number. So has anyone got any other ideas? So far, yeah. So I think that maybe. So 1/5 is red. So a fifth of 85 is an integer. But where did you get the 85 from? Sorry, where did you get the 85 from? So far, yeah, this is actually correct here. So yeah, this is actually correct. However, we know that. So if we have this here, we know that 3x plus 4 over 5, okay, is equal to x. Okay, so 3. Okay, so we know that the number of red counters, okay, if we divide this by 5, okay, we will get x, okay, for that, okay. So now we're going to solve for x. So we're going to multiply by 5, so we get 3x plus 34 is equal to 5x. Okay. No, but this is, it doesn't make sense though. This is a bit confusing now. Yeah. So that's going to equal to 5x, okay? So times both sides by 5, then subtract the 3x and then divide by 2. That will give me what x is. So x is equal to 17. Okay? So you were right, yes. So you are actually right, yes. So you are actually right. 1/5 of 85. But can I ask you, how did you get 85 though? Is it a bit blurry? Sorry, I apologize. Sorry. Is that any better if I do that? Thank you so much. Yeah, thank you, user, for liking. Never mind, actually, it's fine. Okay, no worries, no worries. Okay, oh, thank you so much, Judy. Actually, thank you so much, Judy, for the follow. I appreciate that. Very kind of you. I appreciate your follow, Judy. Okay, right. Next question. The volume of a cube is 8x to the power of 6 centimeters. Find an expression. Ah, okay, I see. Okay. But but to prove that though, how did you know like that number was gonna be 85 though? Like how did you know that number? Hello, sir. Welcome, welcome, that revision teacher. Welcome, my friend. Hope you're well. It's a bit more tricky, guys, isn't it? It's a bit more trickier. But that is the working out, okay? I've been stuck in a 7 since year 10. I was on a 3. I had a score an 8. So, Judy, yeah, so past papers this year, Judy, yeah, it is going to be the key. So, past papers this year, Judy, yeah, it is going to be the key. Okay, but why would that be worth 4 marks, though? I don't know. Why would that be worth actually 4 marks, though? That's odd, actually. That is odd. But yeah, maybe that's, yeah. Okay, anyway, question 10. AQA past paper. Okay, so maybe try the next year. So Judy, yeah, so try. Yes, you can do it at next year. So try some of these years. So this is what I call it here a practice paper. Okay, so this is like a prediction paper for AQA maths. Okay, from first class math. Okay, so look for some more practice papers here. So look for some more free predict this year, papers this year online actually on the internet. Okay, so yeah, obviously first class math. Okay, oh, okay, awesome, awesome, cool, awesome. Okay, so sorry, yeah, question 10, guys. Okay, now you can be even more smart. Hello, Jen. Welcome, Jen. Hello. Oh yeah, Jen. Actually, yeah, this is actually higher tier. Actually, Jen. Actually, yeah, no, actually, this is actually higher tier. Anyway, question 10. The volume of a cube is this. Find an expression in terms of x for the surface area. So step 1, okay, a cube, remember, so a cube is a 3D square, okay, so it looks like this roughly, okay. To work out the volume of the cube is length times width times height, okay, but they all have like equal lengths because that's the property of a cube. So if we cube root this, okay, that will give us the length of one of our sides. So guys, in the chat here, it's so small actually. Is it small? Okay, sorry, actually. Sorry, Lisa. I do apologize. How do I make it bigger? Do you know? Should I zoom in? Is that any better? Sorry, yeah. Okay, awesome. Okay, the cube root. Okay, awesome. The cube root of 8 is going to be 2. And the cube root, why would it be? Would it be 2x to the power of 2? Um, yes, you are right, yep. So the cube root of 8 is 2, and the cube root here of x to the power of 6 here will be x squared. Okay, well done, Judy. Yes, correct. So that's the length of one of our sides of the cube. Okay, are we happy with that? Okay, so to work out the surface area, we're going to work out the area of one face and then times it by 6. So the area of one square will be 2x squared times 2x squared, and then I'm going to multiply it by 6 because there are 6 faces, guys. Yeah, there are 6 faces. Okay, does that make sense? Some of your comments here were actually, were actually filtered. Okay, by 6. So what is my final answer going to be, guys? Thank you for the follow. Actually, thank you for the follow. Okay, so what is 2 times 2 times 6? And then what's x squared times x squared simplified to? Anyone know? Okay, spot on. Yep. So 24 x to the power of 4. Okay, well done, Judy. Yep, well done. Yep. Careful, Jen. Yeah, careful. 24 x to 4. Yes. So x to 4. Okay, centimeters squared. Okay. Hello. I don't know. Welcome back, my friend. Welcome back. 2 by 2 is 4. 4 by 6 is going to be 24. Okay. And then x squared times x squared. We add the powers. Okay. Does that make sense, guys? Are there any questions? Can we get to 2.2k? Yeah, so I need 5 more followers tonight. Can we hit 2.2k followers? Okay, I'll give you a few seconds to screenshot that. Oops, sorry, I pressed the wrong button there. I'll give you a few seconds to screenshot that. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We're going to move on now. Okay, you're looking at some harder questions now. Okay, for that. Okay, question number 11. Okay, so Sasha records the temperature Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Between Monday and Tuesday, the temperature has increased by 10%. Between Tuesday and Wednesday, the temperature has decreased here by 20%. Between Monday and Wednesday, the temperature has decreased by X%. Work out the value of X. Okay, so step one. Okay, so from Monday to Tuesday, okay, it's increased by 10%. So whatever that number is, okay, we'll call it Y. Okay, we'll call it Y here for the sake of it. Hello, Math with Jess. Welcome, welcome. Hello, hello. Welcome, welcome. I hope you're well. So we're going to do Y times 1.1. Okay, so that will be the temperature on Tuesday. Yes, they are, Jen. Yes, very similar. Yes, very similar. Okay. Okay. So on Tuesday, the temperature would be 1.1 lot of Y. Okay, are we happy with that? Between Tuesday and Wednesday, okay, so Tuesday to Wednesday is it's decreased here by 20%. Okay, let's zoom in actually. Sorry, let's just zoom in a bit. Okay, so we'll take 1.1Y, okay, and we're going to multiply this by 0.8, okay, because I'm taking off actually at 20%, okay, and 20% as a decimal will be 0.2, okay, 0.8. So if I simplify this, I'll get 0.88 Y. Okay. No, is that right? Sorry. 11 times 8 is going to be 88. You've got one decimal point. Yeah. Yeah, that is right. Yeah, that is right. Yeah, I'll just obviously doubt myself there. Sorry. Okay. So that's the temperature on Wednesday. Between Monday and Wednesday, the temperature has decreased by X%. Work out what X is. Well, if you look here, to go from 1 to 0.88, what have I subtracted by? Oh, Mike Echo. Well done, Judy. Yep, 12%, yes. I'm sorry. Can you hear me? Sorry, I don't know. Can you hear me? Sorry, can you hear me? So I've subtracted, 0.12. Okay. Okay, awesome, awesome. Okay. So that'll be 12%. But there's like 5 different. Oh, okay, sorry, I apologize. Sorry. Is it me or I've got no idea it's you? Is it me that's doing that? Sorry. So X is 12%. Okay, does that make sense, guys? You explain it too. I can't actually hear it here. I can't actually hear it here. Any more voices? I can't lie. I hope not anyway, because that'd be quite worrying. Okay, no worries, buddy. No worries. Yeah, restart if you need to. Share. Restart if you need to. Okay. Question 12. The first two terms of a geometric progression are shown below. 3/4, 3/10. Work out the third term. So geometric progression means that I'm multiplying by a constant, the same constant, yet well done, dude, each time, yet well done each time, okay? So to work out my common ratio, I'm going to do the second term divided by the first term, so I'm going to do 3/10 divided by 3/4. So dividing fractions, AFC or KCF, keep, flip, change. Okay, so keep the first fraction here the same, flip the second one. Can you do 10/4? What do you mean, sorry, Jen? What do you mean, Jen? Sorry. do 10 over 4. So top by top, that's going to be 12. Bottom by bottom is going to be 30. Okay, and then I'm going to simplify that. Okay, they're both even, so I can half it. I get 6/15ths, and then divide top and bottom by 3 again, and I get 2/5. So the common ratio is going to be 2/5. So to work out the next term, oh, thank you so much, yeah. Thank you, actually, yeah. Thank you, Jen, actually, for liking. I'm going to do 3/10 multiplied by 2/5. So what is 3/10 times 2/5, guys? Can someone tell me? What is 3/10 times 2/5? Hello, Kets. Welcome, welcome. Anyone know? Well done, Jen. Yep, spot on, Jen. Yes, well done. That is correct. Yep. So 6/50ths, or if I want to simplify it, 3/25ths. Okay. But either answer would suffice. Okay. Well done. Yep. Well done. I don't know. Yep. Spot on, my friend. Yes. Okay. And that actually, that was actually quite like a nice question. So that's quite a nice question. See, it's strange. It's like those weird questions that I don't get, but then some of these, like, actually, find actually quite easy here. Sorry, not to sound arrogant. Yes, Jen, that is correct, Jen. Yes, that is correct. Right, next. Oh, yeah, sorry. I'll give you just a few seconds here to obviously screenshot that. Okay. Okay. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Thank you. I don't know yet. Thank you for helping. Thank you for helping. Oh no, careful, actually, careful. Looking at some, yeah, it's geometric here. So it's a geometric progression. Okay, next question. Yeah, everyone's favorite topic: cumulative frequency. Whoa. Okay, so I've got to complete the table. Okay, so here is some information about the number of minutes some students spent using their mobile phone in one evening. Okay, when it's like, oh, sorry about that. I don't know. Sorry about that. I apologize. So part A, complete the cumulative frequency table. Okay, so all we do is we add up our frequencies as we go along. So we start with 3. Okay, next one, what is 3 plus 9? So what is 3 plus 9, guys? 3 plus 9 is 12. Yep, well done, well done, Lisa. Yep, correct, yes. Next one, 12 plus 18 is going to be 30. And then 30 plus 6 is going to be 36. Okay, so remember, cumulative frequency is an accumulation. Yep, well done, Jen. Yep, that is correct. Yes, well done, Judy. Yes. Okay, is an accumulation of your frequency. Okay, and now we need to obviously plot it. So draw this graph. Okay, again, this is quite a common question here, particularly on particularly on like edX here. So on edX papers, this is quite a common topic. Okay. Yes, spot on. Yep. So plot the endpoints. Yep. So 40. Where are we looking at this year? So 45 and 3. So it's going to be there. Okay. It's going to be 90 and 12. Then it's going to be 135 and 30. And thank you, Lisa, for liking it. Thank you so much, Lisa, for liking that. And then 180, 36. It's going to be bang on there. Okay. And then draw it with like a smooth curve. Okay. Oops, sorry. Forgive me that. Apologies. Yeah. But okay. Again, yeah. A smooth actually curve. Okay. Do not draw a line there, a line there, line there, and then line there. Okay. Draw a smooth curve, guys. Yeah, a smooth curve. Okay. So does that make sense, guys? I'll give you 5 seconds to screenshot. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Moving on, okay, keeping the pace high today. Okay, next question. Jess collects trading cards that are either rare, uncommon, or common. In her collection, she has 5 rare cards, 8 uncommon cards. It can be confusing. You have to draw 0 as well. Yes, you do, Jen. Yes, yes, you do. Yes, yes. You start from 0. Yes, well done, Judy. Yes, well done, Judy. Okay, many uncommon cards. All the cards in her collection are different. Jess selects 1 rare card, 1 uncommon card, and 1 common card from her collection to give to her friend. Jess says there are 1,100 different ways of selecting the 3 cards to give to my friend. So that Jess must be incorrect, okay? Okay, so we know, okay, so we pick obviously here, so we pick 1 from here, 1 from here, okay? So yeah, we'll have whatever it is here, so it'd be 5 times 8, okay? And then times a common card, okay? So I'll call it CC here for common card, okay? That has to equal to 1,100, okay? And then if I rearrange this, okay, common card is equal to 1,100 divided by 40, because 5 times 8 makes 40, and that does not equal, okay, a whole number. Okay, remember, obviously, cards have to be a whole number. So that is not equal to what we call an integer. Okay? Hello, Sophie. Welcome, welcome. Does that make sense, guys? So this topic here is the product rule for counting. Does that make sense, guys? But any questions? Sorry, let me just zoom in this. Sorry, I keep actually to zoom in. Sorry. Okay, that's my answer for that question. Okay, question 15, guys. Okay, awesome, Lisa. Thank you, Lisa, for letting me know. The box plot shows information about the times taken in minutes for some runners to complete a race. Work out the interquartile range. The interquartile range, guys, is the upper quartile minus lower quartile. Okay, so it's the upper quartile. Yep, spot on, my friend. Yep. So upper quartile, we said here. So upper quartile minus lower quartile. Now upper quartile here is actually what we call like 3/4 of the way of our data, and then lower quartile is a quarter of our data. So this point here is what I call my lower quartile. So that'll be 22. Okay, so something minus 22. Hello, Mario. Welcome back, Mario. Hello, hello. It's nice to have you on the call. Welcome back, my friend. Thank you for liking. And then upper quartile will be 58. Okay, so on a box plot, okay, this is what I call my upper quartile. This is my lower quartile. At that point there, sorry. This is my lowest point. This is the median. And this is my highest point. Okay, and that's how we draw, okay, a box plot. Okay, so it's a type of it's a type of it's a type of stats graph. Okay, well done, my friend. Yep, 36. Yep, that is correct. Okay, it's a type of statistical graph. Okay, on there. Okay, does that make sense, guys? Does that make sense? Okay, I'll give you a few seconds to screenshot that. Okay, 5. Hello, Poppy. Welcome, welcome. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, let's move on. Okay, next topic is looking at some inequalities. Okay, so this is quite a common topic. Okay, so question 16. The number line below shows an inequality for x. Okay, so x is between 1 and 4 and includes 1. The number line below represents an inequality for y. So y is between 3 and 6 and includes 3 and 6. Given the inequality above us here, represent the inequality for 2x. So step 1, okay, so we're going to write this as, so x is between, okay, 4 and 1, okay, but it includes 1, okay. So if it has an equal sign, we shade in the circle, or we fill in a circle, okay, and if it's not shaded, then it's without an equal sign, okay. So that's that, okay. So to work out 2x, if I double everything in my inequality and have 2x is less than 8, which is greater than or equal to 2, okay. I've doubled everything in this double inequality, okay, in this compound inequality, okay. So does that make sense, guys? So I've doubled everything in that inequality. So now to plot this, okay, awesome. I'm going from 2, okay, fill in the circle there, 2, okay, and then we're going all the way to 8, okay, with a ruler, a line there. There we go. Okay, awesome, Lisa, awesome, Lisa. Well done, Lisa, awesome. Fantastic work, yeah, good work, guys, well done. Okay, thank you for actually being there as well. I appreciate that. Thank you for coming on here. Okay, part B. Given the inequalities above, represent inequalities here for x plus y. So y, we're going to say, okay, hello, my friend. Hello, welcome. Welcome, Anthony. It's nice to have you on the call, my friend. So y is between 6 and 4. Okay. And again, it's got the equal sign because it is actually filled in. Okay, circles are going to be colored in. So to work out x plus y, okay, we're going to just obviously add the numbers at the end. So we're going from, so 4 plus 1 is going to be 5. And then 6 plus 4 is going to be 10. Okay, are we happy with that, guys? Does that make sense? Are there any questions so far? Okay, do not panic here. This is actually quite like a tricky topic. Is it not 3 to 6? Have I made a mistake? It's saying x plus y. So x is x plus y. Is it not? Where did the 4 come from? So sorry, yeah, sorry, it should be 3 actually. I apologize, sorry about that. Yes, it should be 3, sorry. Sorry about that, I apologize. So it should be 4 here, sorry, it should be 4 here, okay. Yeah, spot on, yeah, thank you, Judy, okay. So 4 to 10. Okay. Now my only other question now is it less than or equal to 10? Because I've got less than or equal to 6 here, but I've got less than or equal to 4. So do I include 10 or not? Because adding these numbers here, it has to be 6 plus 4, right? So it has to be less than 10. It can't be equal to 10, yeah? Yeah, thank you, Anthony. Yeah. It can't be equal to 10 because think about it, yeah. So think about it, yeah, spot on, yep. Because it can't be equal to 4, yeah, it has to obviously be less than 10 overall, okay? Awesome. Okay, 5 seconds to screenshot. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, let's move on. Are there any last minute questions, guys? Yeah. Oh, sorry. There we go. Okay, question 17 actually. So again, obviously a bit more trickier now. Okay, the equations of line L1 and L2 are shown below. Okay, where k is a positive integer. So L1 and L2 intersect at point A. The x-coordinate of A is 15. So A has got an x-coordinate of 15, but we don't know what the y-coordinate is. Okay, so intersection means that I'm going to equate these equations, okay, or solve these equations, okay? Now, if I look here, okay, I can do L1. Okay, yes, that is not a bad idea, yes. So I can sub in x is 15 into here to work out what y is, right? I'm going to have 2 times 15, okay, subtract 3y, that's the equal to 36. Yep, spot on, guys, well done. Good work so far. Okay, I'm going to have 30 minus 3y is equal to 36. Subtract 30 on both sides and then divide by minus 3. We get that y is equal to minus 2. So the y-coordinate of A will be minus 2. We can now use that to work out the value of k by subbing in x and y to work out what k is. Okay, does that make sense, guys? So 2 lots of 15, okay, plus 5 lots of minus 2. Okay, awesome, Judy, awesome. Minus 2 is equal to k. So what is k going to be, guys? So what's k going to be equal to? So be careful actually with your negatives here, or negatives, I should say. So what would k be equal to? Hello, to welcome back, my friend. Welcome. Yep, spot on. So we got 30 plus minus 10. Well done, yep, spot on. Okay. Hello, Loretta. Welcome. That's equal to 20, yeah? A plus and minus make a minus. So it's 30 minus 10, which is going to be 20. Yep, spot on, okay? Again, that's a really common exam question on the GC higher tier as well, okay? So I'll give you 5 seconds to screenshot, okay? 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Oh, why is it doing this? Okay, ignore me, guys. Okay, why is it actually doing that? Give me 1 second, guys. Yeah, why is it actually doing that? Why did it actually do that? Okay, so let's just fill in. Yeah, sorry, let's just fill in. There we go. Okay, there we go. So we are actually safe now. Okay. Hello, NCC. Welcome, my friend. Welcome. Right, next question. Looking at some reoccurring decimals and then some identity questions. Okay. Question number 18, guys. So convert 3.51515151 reoccurring to an improper fraction. Give your answer in its simplest form. So step 1, let a letter, so I'll call it R. So let R equal 3.51515151, okay, etc., okay, so on and so forth. Okay, ... Then 10R is going to equal to 35.15151515. Okay, so on and so forth. What's that simplified? Okay, so give me a minute, actually, Anthony. Give me a minute, Anthony. Give me a minute. 100R is going to be 351.51515151. Now the R and the 100R have the same number after decimal point, so I can subtract them. Okay, so this, take away this, I get 99R. Well done, guys. Yep, well done in the chat. Excellent, well done. Okay, is equal to 351.51. Sorry. If I'm honest here, 0.5 honest here, 515151 minus 3.5 here, 51515151. So they're gonna go, okay, so they're gonna cancel with these. Okay, that is gonna be 348. Okay, dividing both sides here by 99, we're gonna get that so R is equal to 348/99, and then you're looking for a common factor that goes into both. Okay, so I can divide them actually here both by 3 if I'm not actually mistaken. Okay, I'm going to get 30 on the bottom. Dividing this by 3, I'm going to get 1. What's that going to be? That's going to be 1. Yeah, let's just do a quick bust up here, just to double check what we're going to do. So 1, 1, and the remainder of 1. So 116/33. Okay, and I believe, yeah, well done, Anthony. Yeah, I believe actually, yeah, that is my final answer. Well done, guys. Yeah, good work here, good work. Okay, again, another common topic here, reoccurring decimals and fractions. Okay, so revise that topic here for the higher tier. Okay. Hello, Chris Cat. Sorry, welcome. Okay, number 19, guys. Okay, we're doing well actually so far. We're doing well. Okay, here is an identity. Okay, x plus a times x plus m plus 4x minus 5 is identical. Oh, thanks so much, Oliver, for the follow. Thanks so much, Oliver, for the follow. Appreciate that. Thank you so much for the follow. Can we hit 2.2k followers, guys? I need 4 more people to actually follow me. I need 4 more followers this year to follow me tonight. Okay, can we? Okay, so let's obviously expand this and then obviously compare coefficients. So we're going to have x cubed plus 4x squared. Yep, that sounds, yeah, right to me actually, Anthony, yes. I think, let's just double check here. Okay, minus 5x. Hello, N, welcome. Plus ax squared plus 4ax minus 5a. Okay, minus 5a. Okay, right, so this has to be identical to this bit here, okay? So, if I compare the coefficients of x cubed, I've got 1 is equal to 1, yep, that's right. Compare the coefficient here of x squared, I've got 4 plus a has to equal b, okay? So, then if I compare the coefficients of the constants, let's obviously change the color, okay? I'm going to have minus 5 plus 4a is equal to c. So minus 5 plus 4a is equal to c. And then if I compare coefficients, why I'll put c there, sorry, minus 4a is equal to, yeah, is equal to c, sorry, yeah, equal to c. Yep, and then compare coefficients of the constants, minus 5a equals minus 10. So we're able to obviously solve it from there. Okay, if minus 5a equals minus 10, then a is equal to 2. So a equals 2, b equals 6. Okay, and then c would be 4 times 2 is 8, minus 5 will be 3. Is that right? Let's double check here. 4 times 2 is going to be 8. Hello, user. Welcome, my friend. Welcome. Okay. Make sense, guys? Hello, user. Welcome. Okay. I'll give you 5 seconds here to obviously screenshot that. So 5, okay, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, next question. Okay, so looking at some direct here, proportion here. Okay, again, another big topic actually here. Hello, Judy. Welcome back. Okay, so L is directly proportional, okay, to H. Oh, what's happened there? Sorry, H to the power of 2/3. Oh, what have I done here? Just delete that, sorry. Okay, so L, yeah, direct proportion here, H to 2/3. So when L is 36, H is 7, work out an equation connecting L and H. So we say that L is directly proportional, okay, to H to the power of 2/3. Okay, so this is the proportional, okay, symbol. Okay, this little, yeah, like we call it, yeah, like the way that fish symbol. Okay, I can replace this with L is equal to some constant K, okay, multiplied by H to the power of 2/3. Okay, thank you, Lisa, for like, yeah, thank you, Lisa, for liking. Okay, I'm now going to substitute in L is 36, okay, H is 27 to work out what K is. So we've got 36 is equal to K multiplied by 27 to the power of 2/3. Okay, anyone know here what 27 is here to the power of 2/3 is here? It's a bit more tricky. It's a fractional indice. Anyone know what 27 to the power of 2/3 is? Okay, without a calculator here, without a calculator. Anyone know? Spot on, Juliet. That is correct. Yep. So I do the cube root of 27, which is 3, and then I square my answer. So we got 36 is equal to K times 9. Okay, so this is looking at, yeah, a fractional indice problem. Okay, yeah, so just to be actually clear, guys, yeah. So 27, yeah, 2/3 means the cube root of 27, and then square that, and I get 9. Okay, dividing obviously by 9, I get that K is equal to 4. So my equation, okay, connecting L and H will be L. Yeah, no worries, Anthony. No worries, Anthony. Yeah, no worries, my friend. No worries. Thank you for actually coming on, Anthony. Thank you for actually coming on today. I appreciate that. Thank you. Thank you, actually, Lisa, for liking. Thank you, Lisa, for liking. So L is equal to 4H to the power of 2/3. Okay, and that is my answer for part A. Does that make sense? Okay, thank you, Essie, for liking. Welcome, guys. Welcome, welcome. Okay, that's part A done. Okay, part B. Work out the value of L when H is 8. So L is equal to 4 lots of, okay, 8 to the power of 2/3. It's a fractional power. Okay, I do the cube root of 8 and then I square it. The cube root of 8 is going to be 2, and then square it and I get 4. So L equals 4 lots of 4. Yeah, well done, Judy. Yep, spot on, my friend. It's going to be 16. And that is my answer for this question here. Okay, thank you, Ashia. Thank you for liking. Hello, AJ. Welcome, welcome. Hello, Shaw. Welcome, welcome. Okay, I'll give you just 5 seconds here to screenshot that. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, thank you so much, Shaw, for liking. Thank you for liking, Shaw. Thank you, Lisa, for liking. Okay, looking at some indices questions now. Okay, so right, the question's a bit more trickier now. Okay, so 9 to the power of 6 or to the power of 50 is equal to 3 to the power of x. Work out the value of x. Okay, so looking at some indices here. So step 1, when it's a power to a power, okay, power to a power, okay, okay, I'm gonna multiply here. That's your powers. Okay, I'm gonna have 9 to the power of 6 times 50, so that'll be 540. Okay, is equal to 3 to the power of x. Okay, does that make sense so far, guys? Thank you, Ashia. Thank you, Lisa, for liking. Okay, I can now write 9 as 3 squared. So I can write this as 3 squared all to the power of 540. Okay? Because 9 is 3 times 3, yeah? So 9 is equal to 3 squared. I'm now going to multiply the powers again. So x is equal to 1080. Okay? Remember, yeah, the rules of indices. When it's a power to a power, you multiply the powers, okay? The x is 1080. Okay? Again, yeah, a bit of a tricky question there. A bit of a tricky question, okay? Question number 22. X equals tan 60, y equals sine 60. Show that 8xy cubed, where they get 540, yeah, sorry, yeah. Okay, so 540 came from, oh, sorry, it's my fault, yeah, sorry, it's my fault, I apologize. Sorry, 6 times 50, yeah, sorry, should be 300, yeah, sorry, should be 300, sorry. I apologize. Hello, you, and welcome, my friend, welcome. Sorry, so X should be 600, yeah, sorry, that's my fault. I read it as 9, sorry, as in like 9 there, sorry. Okay, so X equals 600. Sorry about that. I apologize. Hello, Arslan. Welcome. Make sense, guys? Right, looking at some exact trig values now. Okay, anyone know what tan 60 is? Okay, I think I know what it is this year, but I've forgotten actually. No, yeah, I think I know what it is. Okay, I know what sine 60 is, but I can't remember what's tan 60. I got to do a bit of thinking. Hello, user, by the way. Hello, user 346. So sine 60 is equal to root 3 over 2 actually, if I'm not actually mistaken. So root 3 over 2. Okay. So tan 45 actually, tan 45 I think is equal to 1. So tan 60 equals root 3. Yes, I think that's actually going to be right. Yes, so root 3, I think. Okay, and then sine 60. Yes, I think. Hello, the maths kid. Welcome, sir. Hope you're well. Okay, so I'm going to have 8 lots of root 3. Okay, multiplied by root 3 all over 2 all cubed. Okay, so be very careful here. Okay. Hello, Progress. Say welcome, my friend. Welcome. Cubed. Okay. So this times this, so I'm going to get 8 root 3 here. Okay. And then if I cube this here, so be very careful here. So 2 cubed is what, guys? What is 2 cubed? What is 2 cubed, guys? So 2 cubed is what? Oh, chat's going dead now. So 2 cubed is 8. Okay, well done. Yep. Okay, thank you, Lisa. Yeah, thank you, Judy. Yep, well done. Yep. Okay, thank you, Shaw. Yes. And then root 3 cubed, that's going to be root 3 times root 3 times root 3. Okay, which this simplifies to 3 root 3. That's because root 3 times root 3 is equal to 3. Okay, so this part here gives you the number 3. And then 3 times root 3. Yes, I am. Yes, I am doing first class maths. Yes. Yep, first class maths. This is, yeah, if you look here, there we go. Yep, doing that. Okay, the AQA higher tier 1. Hello, Joe. Welcome. Yeah, I know. It would actually be, yeah. Tell me about it, Judy. Yeah, tell me about it. It's annoying, isn't it? So, right. So 8 divided by 8, that's going to cancel. Okay. Going to be 1, 1. Root 3 times root 3 is going to be 3. 3 times 3 is equal to 9. So 9 is an integer. Yep. Okay. That is my final answer. Okay, does that make sense, guys? Hello, Siddy, welcome, welcome. Hello, Sid, welcome, welcome, Sid. Hello, hello. Hey, I'll give you 5 seconds here to screenshot. Not yet, actually, Shaw, yeah. Not yet, actually. I'm focusing here on edits, actually, and AQA for now. Okay, but I'll do some OCR at some point, okay? So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, moving on. Okay, so this one here looks a bit more trickier, okay? So we'll take our time actually with this question. Okay, so have a look at this question here. It's a nice 5 mark here, meaty question here, okay? Oh, is it you, silly? First class maths. Oh, hello, sir. Welcome, welcome. Hello, sir. Nice to have you on the call. Okay, so this one, yeah, is another, yeah, like nasty, actually worded question, okay? So let's give that a go, actually, yeah, because last time, yeah, I was actually stuck actually on one of these questions, yeah, so it's a bit embarrassing. I apologize. Okay, question 23. So some students complete a maths and English tests. Yeah, maths test, yeah, English test. So 70%, okay, of the students passed at least one of the two tests. Yeah, so that is just quite important, okay? So underline that here, like any key bits. Thank you, Shaw, for liking. Okay, 3/5 of the students passed only one of the two tests. Wow, this is actually pretty nasty, this question already. The ratio of the number of students who passed the maths test to the number of students who passed the English test is in the ratio 2 to 3. Okay, no worries, Jesse Judy. Yeah, no worries, Jesse Judy. No worries, no worries. Thank you for actually, thank you for coming in today. I appreciate that. Okay, work out the percentage of the students that passed the English test. Yeah, I give up actually. No, I'm joking. I'm joking. Okay, so this it's actually quite like a interesting question. Okay, so first step, guys. So I'm thinking here about drawing actually, so drawing actually some like tree actually, so some actually tree diagrams here. Okay, so you've got you got English, okay, and then you got maths. Okay, you got English and you got maths. Okay, so let's zoom out for a second and scroll up. Okay, so you got maths and then you got English. Okay, you got maths and you got English. Got maths and English. Okay, so this is not quite like a Judo diagram here because it's not been worded here in like a probability way, but we'll give it a go. So 70%, okay, passed at least one of those tests. So that means this branch times this branch plus this branch times this branch. Oh no, sorry, we're doing that here. So what we're doing, sorry. So 70%, yeah, passed at least one of the two tests. Okay, so Gio, what am I doing here? Sorry, yeah. Let me just have a little think actually. I apologize, guys. Sorry, yeah, this is a bit of an interesting question. Okay, so yeah, these ones I find actually quite tricky here. Actually a bit more trickier. Okay, so 1 second, guys. Sorry. Let's start again. So 70%, okay, of the students passed at least one of the two tests. Okay, so let's say, okay, for argument's sake here, so let's say there are 100 in total, okay, for argument's sake, okay, just for now, okay, so that means 70 of them, okay, passed maths or English or both, okay. So can I put this here as like a little like Venn diagram, okay? So call that E for English, okay, M for maths, and then B for both, okay, okay. So that they either, okay, so they either passed maths, they passed English, or they passed both, okay. 3/5 of the students passed only one of the two tests, okay. Oh, this is actually tricky, guys. Yeah, sorry, yeah, this I found this a bit more trickier. Okay. Anyone got any ideas, guys? Yeah, anyone got any hints? So 3/5, okay, of students passed only one of the two tests. So out of English and maths, okay, so 3/5 only passed one, okay. The ratio of the number of students who passed the maths, number of students who passed the English is 2 to 3. So students here, the ratio of the number of students here who passed the maths test, so this is pass, okay, to number of students here, English, okay, is 2 to 3. So this is looking at the pass rate, okay, so this part looking at the pass rate, okay. So 2/5 pass, okay, maths, okay. So I'll just put P for pass. So yeah, P and the little letters here. So PM, yeah, for past maths, and then 3/5, okay, past English, okay. Are you happy with that so far? Okay. This is actually this is actually a bit more trickier. Actually, a bit more trickier. Okay. So let me come back actually to this question here. I'll come back here. I'll put like a little actually star for now here, and we'll come back to here at the end. Okay. But before I actually leave us here, anyone got any ideas yet on this question? Who passed the English test? Is it a Venn diagram question or not? Okay, let me actually come back here. Give me a minute, guys, here, and I'll come back to shit to that question in a minute. Okay, so I'll come back to that. Okay. Right, let us try question 25, then we'll do 24, and then we'll do 23, okay, and then we'll call it a night. So looking at some functions, 25a, work out fg of 0.5. So step 1, work out g of 0.5, okay, by subbing in 0.5 is here into here. Okay, so we're going to have 3 subtract 2 lots of a half, okay, is equal to 1. So 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. Okay, so that's going to be G. Okay, so, yeah, that'll be the value of G. I'm now going to put it into F. So I'm going to have F of 2. Hello, Lauren. Welcome, welcome. Hello, Liam. Welcome, welcome. I hope you're well. This is actually quite like a tricky actually paper. Actually, it's harder than I thought. Actually, yeah. Right. So subbing actually, so I'm going to have 9 subtract 4 lots of 2 all over 2. Okay. So I'm going to have 9 take away 8, which is 1 over 2. So the answer is going to be 1/2 or 0.5. Okay. Does that make sense, guys? Looking at functions. Okay. Does that make sense? Hello, Lauren. Welcome, welcome. I hope you're well. Okay. Right. Next part. Okay. Hello, Kay. Welcome, welcome. Hello, Jacob King. So that f of root 3 is equal to a root 3 plus b. Okay, awesome. Okay, so do not panic here. This is like actually like grade actually grade actually 9 actually. So don't actually panic too much. So f of root 3. So I'm gonna put root 3 actually into here is equal to a plus A plus B, where A and B are integers. So I'm going to have 9 minus 4 lots of root 3 all over root 3. So replace x here with root 3. Okay, I'm now going to rationalize this, okay, because I don't want a surd on the bottom of my fraction. So I'm going to multiply top and bottom here by root 3 over root 3. Okay, so multiplying fractions, top by top and bottom times bottom. So bottom times bottom, that's going to equal to 3. Okay, root 3 times root 3 equals root 9, which is equal to 3. Okay, and then on the top, we've got 9 times root 3, so that'll be 9 root 3. And then we've got minus 4 root 3 times root 3. Well, root 3 times root 3 is equal to 3. Okay, that's going to equal to minus 12. This is going to simplify, okay, dividing top and bottom by 3. Okay, so it's all divided by 3. Okay, I get 3 root 3 subtract 4. Okay, because 9 divided by 3 is going to be 3, and then 12 divided by 3 is going to be 4. So it's going to be 3 root 3 minus 4. Okay, where A is equal to 3 and B is equal to minus 4. Okay, so this is rationalizing the denominator. Okay, so looking at some surds here. Okay, again, a classic question this year. Does that make sense, guys? Yeah, so the mixture of functions and that. Okay, does that make sense, guys? I'll give you just 10 seconds here to screenshot. Okay, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, going back up now here to the previous question. Okay, we've got 2 more questions here. So we got this one, okay, and then we got this one here, right here. So it's some more tricky questions, okay? Okay, awesome, okay, awesome. Okay. Question 24. Okay, so a compound shape is made by joining triangle AOB with a sector OBC. Okay, so this is my sector and this is my triangle. Okay, and this is my compound shape. AOC is a straight line. Okay, angle ABO is equal to 60 degrees. Angle OAB, ABO is 60, OAB is 90, AB is 6 centimeters. Okay, work out the exact value of the perimeter of the compound shape. Okay, so the perimeter here, so that will be the whole distance around here. Okay, so we need to work out this distance here, this distance here, and we're going to work out this arc length here. Okay, that is our job. Okay, so step 1, okay, we're going to use SOHCAHTOA, so trigonometry, to work out this length here. Yeah, I've got an angle here, yeah, and I've got a side length. Okay, thank you. Yeah, thank you, K. Actually, thank you, K, for liking. This is my opposite. This is my adjacent. Okay, so I'm going to have cos 60. Okay, so yeah, SOHCAHTOA. So cos is adjacent over hypotenuse. So cos 60. Oh no, sorry. What am I doing? Sorry. Tan, sorry, not cos. Yeah, sorry, I apologize. Yeah, sorry. Tan 60, sorry. Not cos. Tan 60. Okay, is opposite over the adjacent. Okay, so I'll call that O. So O over 6. Okay, so that is actually an O, yeah, not a 0, actually, not a 0. Okay, I'll label it, yeah, just OPP, yeah, for opposite. So to get opposite by its own, I'm going to multiply it by 6. I have 6 lots of tan 60 is equal to the opposite. Now, what is tan 60, guys? Yeah, anyone know? What is tan 60? Okay, it is a non-calculator paper. So tan 60, I think, is it root 3? Is that right? So that's going to be 6 root 3 there. Okay, is that right? Tan 60, I think that's right. Okay, so that'll be 6 root 3 here. Okay, right. Our next job, okay, is to work out this arc length here. Okay, so we want this angle and we want this length here. So we can now use Pythagoras, to work out length BO. Okay, does that make sense, guys? Yes, yeah. Does that make sense so far? Hello, Beth. Welcome. Hello, G_5. Welcome, welcome. Thank you, Lisa, for liking. So, I'm going to use pathology here to work out what BO is. So it'd be 6 squared plus 6. Thank you, G. Thank you, G, for liking. 6 root 3 here, all squared. Okay. And then I'm going to obviously square root all this to work out what BO. So this is equal to BO or OB. Okay, thank you, user. Yeah, thank you, user 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 for liking. So BO is equal to this. Okay, so let's obviously simplify this here. So that'll be 36. Okay, that'll be 36 times 3. Okay, anyone know what 36 here times 3 is? Let's just work it out, yeah, if we're not sure. I think it's 108, I think. So 108, yep, so 18, carry the 1, 9, 10, so it'll be 108, okay. So that will be the square root of 144, okay, which equals 12. So the radius, okay, of my curved circle here, or my circle, okay, is equal to 12 centimeters. Okay, are we happy with that? Does that make sense, guys? Hello, Claire. Welcome, welcome. Hello, Kay. Hello, Ellen. Welcome, welcome. Okay. Okay, awesome. Okay, right. Next part here, because it's quite like a long question here. So next part. So I want to work out here this angle here. Okay. Can I work out this angle here, guys? Yes or no? So can I work out the angle in green? Okay, I've got a triangle. Okay. What does a triangle add up to? Oops, sorry about that. Apologize, guys. So triangle adds to make 180, yeah? So we got a right angle, so we got 90 plus 60 is equal to 150. And then I'm going to do 180. Hello, Leah. Welcome, welcome, Leah. Subtract 150. So my angle is going to be 30 degrees. Okay. So that's going to be 30 there. And then lastly, angles on a straight line add to make, okay, 180. So that's going to be 150. Okay. So OC is also, yeah, what I call the radius. Okay, if I'm not mistaken. Okay. So OC will equal to 12 as well. Okay. And then to work out the arc length of BC is the circumference times the angle over 360. So it's the arc length here. So AC arc length is equal to 2 times pi times R, which is going to equal to 12 because that's my radius. Okay, multiplied by the angle, which is going to be 150 over 360. Okay, and I need to actually simplify this. Okay, so yeah, this is actually quite like a tricky sum. Okay, so it's testing my mental maths today. Okay, 2 times 12 is going to be 24, so I'm going to have 24 pi multiplied by 150 over 360. Okay. Hello, Sam. Welcome, welcome. Okay. Okay, so let's obviously simplify this here. So let's actually simplify this now. Okay. So I can simplify this fraction here. So divide top and bottom by 10. That's going to go. Okay. Sorry. Okay. So now I can divide actually top and bottom of this by 3. So I get 5 out of 12, if I'm not mistaken. And then 24 divided by 12 is going to be 2, and then times it by 5, so it's going to be 10 pi. So the arc length is 10 pi centimeters. Okay, so that's going to be this part here. So all of this here, so doing this here in like a little different color. So all of this, oops, oh, no, what we done here? Sorry. So this part here is equal to 10 pi. Okay, and then final step now, to work out the perimeter, okay, I'm going to add up the side lengths. Okay, so it wants it in the form a pi plus b root 3 plus c, where c, a, b, and c are what we call integers. Okay, so we've got 10 pi from the above, so we got 10 pi. Okay, hello Kiara, welcome. Plus 6 root 3. Okay, plus 12 plus 6, which would be plus 18. And that, guys, is my final answer. Okay, so that was quite like a little meaty, actually, it was quite like a meaty question. Okay, so that is my final answer. So it's 10 pi plus 6 root 3 plus 18. Okay, and that was quite a nasty, nasty question. Okay, I mean, easier than question 23, but yeah, I've got no clue actually about 23 years still, so I might need someone's help actually for 23. Oh, thank you so much here for the likes. Thank you so much for the likes. Thank you, Shia. Thank you, Lisa, for liking. Thank you, user, for liking. Okay, so 10 seconds here. So 10 seconds to screenshot that. Okay, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Back to that other nasty question. Okay, so this one here, yeah, this one I've got no idea what shit's this year, but we'll give it a go again. Okay, so let's do this year. So it says some students complete a maths test and an English test. Okay, so yeah, you've got English and maths. So 70% of the students passed at least one of the two tests. So they passed either English, maths, or both. Yes, so 70 actually. Okay, 3/5 of the students passed only one of the two tests. Okay, 3/5. Okay, the ratio of the number of students here who passed the maths test to the number of students who passed the English test is 2 to 3. Work out the percentage of students here that passed the English test. Okay, so at the minute, yeah, I've still got no idea. Actually, I've got no idea. Okay, but let's start fresh. Okay, let's just obviously let's actually like delete this part here and then start fresh. Okay, has anyone got any idea on how to start this question? Okay, so what I would do is I would actually pick a number here and then work with that here. So let's assume So let's assume So let's assume that 100 this year people here take this test. Okay, so 100 people here take their English and maths test. Okay, so 100 here, 100 in total. Okay, so we'll start with that actually. Okay, so let's assume we've got 100 here to begin with. Okay. Let's just bit by bit. Okay, so let's assume So let's assume. Okay, we're going to start with 100 this year. So 100 this year in total. Okay, so 100 students here sit a maths and English test. Okay, so 70% of them. Okay, so 70 of them. Okay, pass their English or their maths or both. Okay, so 70 have either passed their English, maths, or both. Okay, are we happy with that so far? Then it says 3/5 of the students, okay, only passed one of the two tests. Okay, so we know that, yeah, so we know that obviously, yeah, 30% may have actually failed this year, so 30% may have actually failed this year, okay? Yeah, units here only passed one of the two tests, okay? So if we do 3/5 of 70, okay, what would that give us, okay? This is like a nasty question here. Why is this like so difficult? Like it doesn't like make any sense to me. Here. It's like it's actually weird. Yeah, it's weird actually so funnily. Okay, like I can do yeah every other question here, but this one yeah it's actually stumped me completely. Okay, but do not worry here because I'm sure like I get some like method marks here, so I'm sure I'll probably pick up like 1 or 2 marks here at least. I'm guessing. Okay, so what is that going to be? That'll be 70 divided by 5, which will be 14, and then 14 times 3 will be 42. So we're saying that 42 students, okay, only passed either English or maths. Okay, are we happy with that so far? Hello, Karen. Welcome, welcome. Hello, Anna. Welcome, welcome. This is a nasty, nasty question. This is a nasty question. Where is first class maths? Yeah, I've got some beef actually with them now, innit? Yeah, I've got some beef with them. This is a nasty question. Okay, so 42. Okay, either remember, yeah, either passed English or they passed maths. Yeah, so not both. So what do you? Okay, so 42, yeah, either passed that, okay, only passed them. Right. The ratio of the number of students who passed the maths test to the number of students here who passed the English test is 2 to 3. So we've got maths, sorry, we've got maths to English. Hello, Miss M Maths, welcome, welcome. So maths to English is going to be 2 to 3. This is a nasty, nasty question. I hate this is the only question that I've got some beef actually here with actually. I can do every other question here, but this one is like a nightmare question. Okay, maybe I've got to read like I've got to retake here my exams at some point. Okay, so we're now saying actually, guys, here. So we're now actually saying, okay, so we're saying this here. So we're saying that 2/5, okay, passed maths. Okay, so 2/5 passed maths. And 3/5 passed English, yeah, because obviously 2 plus 3 is 5. Yeah, exactly, Lisa. Yeah, exactly. It's a nasty year. Unfortunately, one of these questions here, they always actually appear actually on the exam this year, every single year this year. One of these questions here, but okay, in my defense here, I think I've picked up a share, maybe 1 or 2 marks. Okay, so that's better than nothing. Yeah, that's better than nothing. Okay, so always think positive. Okay, picking up a share, some marks here is better than not picking up any. Okay, that is my motto. What? Okay. So technically for me, I probably will get yeah, maybe like 77 yeah, out of 8 ish, yeah, let's say for argument's sake. Or maybe 76 yeah, for argument's sake. Okay. That's English. Okay. Right, so let's go back to years. So let's just go back to your other year because I don't want to get obviously confused this year a bit more than this. Okay. So so 2/5 yeah past the maths. So if we work out oh this is where you're like it gets so confusing because we've got a 70 here and then we got a 42 here. Okay, it's so tricky. It doesn't make any sense to me. Like, why am I not getting this? Sorry, it's stressing me out. It's like one question here, but I can't get it here. Can someone actually help me? Where is first class maths here? I need your help actually, but yeah. Where is first class maths, guys? Bring him here, yeah? Bring him here. I've got some beef with him. I'm joking. Yeah, but why is this so tricky though? Why is this work out the percentage of students that passed an English test? So ratio passed that year. So 2/5, okay, passed maths, 3/5 passed English, okay. So am I doing it out of the total? Because this year, 70% year passed at least one test, and then 3/5 of that, okay, which is going to be past one of the two tests. That means 2/5 of them have actually not actually passed. Guys, sorry, why is this actually stressing me? Sorry, I don't actually get this here. It makes no sense to me. So apologies, guys. So sorry for getting obviously a bit angry. It's just so confusing. I'm so glad to actually giving up here and looking at the answers here, but I'm trying to actually resist that temptation. Okay, right. The ones that passed, yeah. If I do 2/5 of 100, that'll be 40. Does that mean 40 passed English and then 60 passed maths? So would the answer just be 40? Sorry, 60%? I'm not too sure. Oh, this is nasty. This is here. Where is I need to see a first class maths help actually here. This is actually right. Give me 1 second, guys. Here, give me 1 second here. Look at it. Yeah, look at this. Snooze and shit. Because otherwise, I'm gonna give up actually now. Okay, so he's gonna as like a little Venn diagram actually. Okay, so I should have actually done that in the beginning. So what I've done actually I think has got me like two or I think I think what I've done actually has got me like two marks here, 2 marks so far. Okay, so he's done as like a Venn diagram here, so a Venn diagram. Okay, so let's obviously start again here. So let's start again. Okay, or let's do it actually here. Actually, so let's just do it actually here. So let's just do it here, a bit below here. I'll try and obviously put some space here. Okay, so they've done as like a little Venn diagram. Okay, so M for maths and then E for English. Okay, and then it's done 2 circles here. So it's done 2 circles here. Okay, do not panic, guys. Yeah, if this is here. Yeah, it is actually one of the hardest actually questions here on the paper here, in my opinion here. So do not actually panic, okay? I probably actually, if I'm honest here, I probably picked up, I'd say, I'm honest here, I think maybe actually too much here, honestly, yeah. So I picked up actually 2 out of 5 actually, okay? But that's fine actually, because obviously, yeah, every mark actually counts, okay? So for maths actually, yeah, so okay. Right, guys, sorry, guys. I'm trying to think actually. I'm trying to actually think here rather than look at the answers. So the way he's done it here, so I've got it on here here. So the way he's done it, this is a nasty, nasty question here. This is a nasty, nasty question. I can do every other question here, but this is the only one here I can't seem to do, which is bugging me. Okay. So actually, guys, yeah, let me just put it on here actually to make it actually a bit easier. So let me just type in actually here. So let me just type in. Oh yeah, first class maths. Okay. And then we'll see what comes up here. So we'll see what comes up, okay? And then I'll show you the actual solution here to make it a bit fairer. Okay.
Total of 60%.
Let's start again. So here we go.
In this question, we've been told that some students have done a maths test and an English test. There are many different ways of approaching this question, but the one I find the easiest is to use a Venn diagram. So we'll have one circle for maths and one circle for English. We're told that 70% of the students pass at least one of the two tests. If they pass at least one, then they could pass one of them, or they could still pass two of them. This section here.
Okay, so yeah, are you happy with that, guys? Yeah. So let me just so they could pass at least if you want them to So
here of the Venn diagram is for the students that passed just the maths test, but they have passed at least one of them. This section is for the students that just passed the English test, but again, that's at least one of them. And the section in the middle here is for those students that passed maths and English. They've passed two of the tests, but that's still included in the students that passed at least one of them.
Yes.
So this shaded area here represents the students that passed at least one of the tests. So this would represent 70% of the students.
So 70%, guys, is all of the two circles. Yeah, are we happy with that? Okay. So 70%, it is all of us here, all that. Okay, are we happy with that so far? Ooh. Are we happy with that? Okay, again, guys, do not panic here. This is like a grade 8, 9 question here, so do not panic. Okay, me personally, I think I got actually maybe one or two much here, but that's not fine actually. That's fine. Okay, that is okay. Okay, but every mark here counts. Okay.
We're then told that 3/5 of the students passed only one of these tests. 3/5 is the same as 60%, so 60% of the students passed only one of the tests. This means that the two sections marked here, the ones for just passing maths and just passing English, must represent 60%. Now if we know that all three of these regions total 70%, but the one on the left and the right makes a total of 60%, the middle section here must represent 10%. In this question, we've been asked to work out the percentage of the students that passed the English test. So I'm going to label the section for those that only passed English as X. Since the two regions, marked with the green arrows, make a total of 60%, and I've already marked the one for only English as X, the one for only maths must be 60 subtract X.
Yeah.
Now I can look at this final statement here. The ratio of the number of students who passed the maths test to the number who passed the English test is 2 to 3. So let's try and write down an algebraic expression for the percentage of students that passed each of those subjects. Let's start with those that passed maths first. This will be any of the students that are in the circle for M. So we've got 60 minus X and 10. So if we add 60 minus X and 10, we could simplify this to get 70 minus X.
This and this.
Then if we do the same idea for English, this will be just the English circle. So this time we have the X and the 10%, so it's just X plus 10. Now we've been told that these are in the ratio 2 to 3. So maths represents 2 parts and English represents 3 parts. So if I take my expression for maths, 70 minus X, and divide it by 2, this will give me 1 part. If I do the same idea for English but divide it by 3, that must also be 1 part. So X plus 10 divided by 3. So these two must be the same. I can now solve this equation by cross-multiplying.
Okay. So are we happy with that, guys? Yeah. Do not panic here if you're not sure here. It is, like I said here, it is a very, very, very nasty question, okay? Do not panic, okay? Like I said here, at the start of this quick question here, so I would have got actually probably 1 or 2 much, or maybe even 3 actually, being generous, okay? But do not panic here. So now obviously solving it. So
if I multiply both sides by 3 and also both sides by 2.
Awesome.
On the left-hand side, the 2 will cancel, but I'll need to multiply by 3, so I'll have 3 lots of 70 minus X.
So
on the right side, the 3 will cancel, but I need to multiply by 2 as well, so 2 lots of X plus 10. If I expand these brackets, 3 70s are 210, and 3 times negative X is negative 3X. 2 times X is 2X, and 2 times 10 is 20. Next, we can add 3x to both sides. If we add it to the left-hand side, the negative 3x will cancel, so we have 210. And if we add it to the right-hand side, we have 2x plus 3x, which is 5x, and plus 20. Then subtract 20 from both sides. On the left, this gives you 190. And on the right, the 20s cancel, so just 5x. And then divide both sides by 5, and we find the value of x is 38. So we can update our Venn diagram now we know the value of x. X is 38%. And also if we do 60 minus X, that's 60 minus 38, so that section for maths only would be 22. In this question, we were asked to find the percentage of students that passed the English test, so that's both of these percentages here. 10% plus 38% is 48%.
Okay. In this, guys, are we happy with that? Okay. do not panic here if you're not sure here. That for me here was quite like a tricky question here. So these sort of questions here, it is best here to think of it as like a little Venn diagram, okay? That is the best way here to actually solve that, okay? So that's, yeah, that is actually that, okay? Are we happy with that, guys? Okay, awesome, Lisa. Okay, thank you. Yeah, thank you, user, for liking. Hello, Craig Roy. Welcome, my friend. Welcome, okay? So back to the paper. Sorry, yeah, back to the paper. Okay, so the answer for this year is going to be, what is here? It's going to be 38%, okay? Again, my workings would have probably got me 1 or 2 marks, yeah, if I'm being honest, okay? But that's fine, okay? So again, I'll give you some time to screenshot that, okay? Again, do not actually panic here. This is probably the hardest question here on the whole exam, actually, okay? So do not panic, okay? Hello, Yoshimon, welcome, okay? I'll give you 5. Oh, sorry, what? Sorry. Actually, yeah, sorry. So if you're able to hear, screenshot that. Actually, sorry, that better. Actually, yeah, so screenshot that if you can. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, there we go. Okay, and that, guys, takes us to the end of tonight's paper. Okay. Oh no, I missed that. Oh, sorry. Yes, we've got one more question. Sorry, we've got part C. Sorry, I haven't actually finished that. Okay, 25C, and then we'll be finished. Okay. So 25C. Okay. So we're finally there, guys. Yes. The last stretch. Okay. So we're asked to solve. Okay. F inverse equals G of X. Okay. So this is quite like a nasty. Actually, yes, nasty question. Okay. Right. So what is F actually? So what is F and what is G? So F is that. So F is F of X is 9 minus 4x all over x. Hello, Yoshimom. Actually, hello, Yoshimom. Okay. All over x is equal to g of x. Okay, so we want f inverse g of x equals 3x minus 2. So g of x is 3x minus 2, I think. Is that right? Let's double check here. Sorry, 3 minus 6 here. Sorry, 3 minus 2x. Okay, so step 1, we want to work out the inverse of f here. So it's a bit more trickier. So to work out the inverse, guys, here, this is actually the step-by-step rule. Okay, hello, Dawood. Welcome, Dawood. Welcome, my friend. So we let y equal fx here. So we let y equal f of x. Okay, so that's step 1. Let y equal f of x. We're going to let y equal 9 minus 4x all over x. Okay, that's step 1. Okay, step 2, we're going to swap x and y around. Okay, and we're going to rearrange to make y the subject. Okay, so yeah, so we're going to swap x and y around, and we're going to rearrange to make y the subject. Okay, that. Okay, so step 1 times by y on both sides. So I'm going to get xy is equal to 9 minus 4y. Okay, add 4y here to both sides here because I want to get all the y's here on one side. I'm going to have xy plus 4y is equal to 9. Factorize the y out. So I'm going to have y brackets x plus 4 is equal to 9. Dividing it by y plus 4, we get that y is equal to 9 over x plus 4, which is the same as our inverse function. So f inverse of x is now equal to 9 over x plus 4. Okay, that's step 1. Okay, so so do not panic, guys. Here, this is like a grade here, grade 9 question here. So next part is to equate this. So I'm going to do this is equal to this and then solve. So we got 9 over x plus 4 is equal to 3 minus 2x. Okay, multiply both sides by x plus 4. 9 is equal to, oh, thank you so much, yeah. Thank you for liking. 3 minus 2x times x plus 4. Okay, expand this double bracket here, okay, and then set it equal to 0, and then solve the quadratic, okay? So expand it. We're going to have 9 is equal to 3 times x is going to be 3x. 3 times 4 is going to be 12. Minus 2x times x will be minus 2x squared. And then minus 2x times positive 4 is going to be minus 8x. Okay. Collect your like terms, okay? So I'm going to add, yeah, I'm going to add your 2x ratio to both sides. So I'm going to have 2x squared here, okay, plus 9 equals 3x minus 8x. That will be minus 5x. I'm going to have 12 minus 5x. Okay, thank you, yeah, thank you, Lisa, for liking. Okay, add 5x to both sides, minus 12. I'm going to get the quadratic 2x squared plus 5x minus 3 is equal to 0. Factorize this and then solve for x. Okay, so it's going to be a double bracket. Okay, so 2x times x makes 2x squared. We want two numbers that add to make positive 5 and times is to make minus 3. But when obviously one of them here is being doubled, so it'd be 2x minus 1 and x plus 3. And again, you're able to obviously check it by expanding it. Okay, either this equals 0 or that equals 0. So your solutions will be, guys, x equals a half or x equals minus 3. And that, guys, is my solution to 25C or 24C, whatever it is. Okay, so x equals a half, okay, or x equals minus 3. Okay, again, a pretty nasty algebraic here, okay, problem. Okay, so that is my answer, okay, for this problem, okay? Again, do not actually panic it. Yeah, no worries here, no worries actually, no worries, my friend, yeah, no worries. Okay, well, thank you for the poll. Awesome, awesome. Oh, thank you so much, thank you. Awesome, buddy. Yeah, thank you, Lisa, for that. Okay, I'll give you 5 seconds to screenshot that. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, that's the end of today's paper year. So end of AQA year, paper 1 year, higher tier year from the first class maths. Okay, it was a mixture of a paper year, so it's quite a mixture of a paper. Again this year. For me, yeah, it was question 8 and question 23. Yeah, that I actually found actually a bit trickier, but the rest of them I thought were okay. Okay. So I am pretty happy here with this paper today, okay? Are there any questions, guys? Are there any questions or anyone that you missed out? Okay, are there any questions? Okay, thank you for the poll. Are there any questions? Okay. So that's AQA obviously higher 1, okay? So the next lab actually we'll look at the edXL higher paper 1. Okay, and then we'll look at some more. Okay, awesome, buddy. Awesome. Well done, actually. Well done. Okay, so yeah, just a quick as you scan here. So these are the solutions here for the question 1 to 4. Okay. Bang, bang, bang. Okay. Are there any questions here, Lisa? Are there any questions, Lisa? Yeah. Do not panic here, Lisa. Yeah, about some of these questions here, because actually, actually pretty nasty. Okay, so do not panic. Okay, like I said this year, it was this 1 year and question 8 that I actually found actually a bit tricky. But other than that, I thought it was quite a doable paper. Okay, if there's no more questions here, I'm going to end live actually in a second. Okay, are there any questions, guys, here, or any concerns about any parts? Thank you for liking. Awesome. If not, I'm going to end it here. And I'll probably come back on it, probably tomorrow, either daytime or in the evening, okay? I'll make a little post, okay? But I'll catch you soon, guys, okay? Oh, he shared it, actually. Oh, sorry, shared it, okay? He shared it, no worries. Okay, make sure you give us a follow, guys, And thank you for all the gifts tonight. I appreciate all the gifts. Thank you so much for all the gifts. Thank you, my friend, thank you. Okay? I shall see you all very soon, okay? Bye for now. Take care. All the best, guys. Thank you for coming. I appreciate that. Thank you all for joining me. Okay? Thank you for all the support, Right. See you soon this year. Take care, guys, All the best, okay? Thank you, my friend. Thank you. Oh, thank you so much, Lisa. That is so kind of you, actually. Thank you so much. Awesome, Right, guys. See you soon, okay? Bye for now. Thank you, guys. I appreciate that. Thank you so much. Bye for now. Take care. All the best.